I'll go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me. Then I'm left to do or make it bleed. And there's a whole lot of love ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think there's some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip, that is the type of love, baby. Drip, drip, drip.
Hi curl friends, NaturallyRonda here. Welcome back to my channel for this Wash and Go Wednesday. So today I'm using some of the products from my December curlBOX. This month, all of the products came from Maui Moisture. We got some really good products. We got some deep conditioners. We got a curl milk. But the one thing that we didn't get is a gel. And y'all know me, I'm a gel girl. So I was like, what am I gonna do? You know what? I'll just go to my fave, Bay, Wetline Xtreme Gel. Actually, if you haven't heard, the artist formerly known as Wetline Xtreme Gel is now just Xtreme Gel. So this will be my first time trying this. It's supposed to be improved formula. I don't know. I hope that it works the same and I hope I still get the same amazing results, but we shall see. So I will be pairing Maui Moisture's Curl Quench plus coconut oil curl milk for thick curly hair with the new and hopefully improved Xtreme Gel. My hair is already washed, detangled, and deep conditioned. I used OGX's Extra Strength Damage Remedy plus Coconut Oil Miracle shampoo and conditioner to cleanse my hair. And then I followed that up with Maui Moisture's Smooth and Repair plus Vanilla Bean Hair Butter for frizzy, unruly hair as my deep conditioner. First things first, my handy dandy spray bottle of water. Y'all know I am a firm believer in applying products on wet hair, especially when it's a product that you're not really sure on how it's gonna perform. Okay, let's go in with this curl milk. It's definitely a creamy consistency. Curl milks tend to be a little thinner than like a butter or something. So if you want something that's not as thick for your hair, then I would suggest a curl milk. They both would moisturize you though. It just depends on preference and hair porosity, what works best for your hair, you know? So this is my hair with just the curl milk. It feels kind of the same. Maybe the wet line is a smidge thicker. Here goes. Let me subsection. Okay, so this is my first section with the curl milk and the gel. Now, I never really know how the wash and go is gonna come out until it's dry, but this looks pretty promising. Okay, so I'm going to continue the same process with the curl milk and the gel, the Xtreme Gel. It's gonna take me a minute to get used to it and to stop calling it wetline, but bear with me. And of course, spraying it down with water as needed. Don't be afraid to continue to spray your hair down even as you go on in your sections. If you need to, if your hair dries, spray it down some more. I know my hair definitely doesn't stay wet, so.
Feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart beat. Cause you take the bullet, you're trying to save me. Then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And there's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. It's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think there's some kind of love, baby. Drip, drip, there's the type of love, baby. Drip, 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 I know you, it's big enough, baby. Drip, drip, it's big enough, baby. Drip, drip.
Okay, so the product is all in, and this is what it's looking like wet. Okay, so now I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer and I'll be back when it's all dry. Okay, so I'm back. My hair is dry, and these are my finished results. So this was pretty much my review on the Curl Milk and the new Xtreme Gel, not Wetline, Xtreme Gel. And they do not disappoint, they really don't. The Xtreme Gel performs, in my opinion, just as good as Wetline Xtreme Gel. And this Curl Milk is really, really moisturizing, and it moves through the hair with ease. I enjoyed this product and I definitely will be reusing it. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, before I got under the dryer, I spritzed my hair with the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture plus Coconut Milk Weightless Oil Mist for dry hair. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, then please subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. I did film myself using the Vanilla Bean hair butter as a deep conditioner, so be on the lookout for that Treatment Tuesday video. I love you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!